love One Piece in this because I'm like, oh god, this suits me so well and I'm gonna recommend that.
Hey guys, good morning, good evening, good night, or whatever time you're watching this video, guys. Hopefully you all are doing great and you all are safe. So as you all have read by the title, this video is based on a dress haul from AJIO. How can I even get such a nice dresses in such a cheaper price? And yeah, I'm a talented girl and I know how to book in AJIO. So yeah, I got everything. Like I got 4 dresses within 200. Like how? And that too, everything are long dress, not a short one too. Like girl, you all must try this, okay? So guys, I'm gonna tell you all a secret tip like how to shop in AJIO in the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't watched the first video of AJIO haul, like this one, please do go and watch it after this video, guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I have 4 dresses, so I'm gonna start with this one. So let's go. I just wore it once because if I wanted to return, like, oh yeah, this one is a polka dot dress. And yeah, here you all go. This is a polka dot dress, if I'm not wrong. It's in white and black, like black polka dot and white dress. To be very honest, I would not recommend this dress for you all because the material is not so good and giving so much of money for this is bad. Yeah, so the MRP of this dress is 2556 and it is in the size of M. Like I don't know how it's too large for me, but I'm not gonna return this because I have an idea in my mind to wear this dress, so I'm gonna pair in that way itself. To be honest, I just thought the sleeves would be damn great, but no, they're not turning to be so. Yeah, so it's all fine, but I would not recommend this dress because it's a okay-ish dress. But if I wear the way I've thought to wear it, it'll look bomb. I know that. So yeah. And the collar is also same. It's round neck, nothing special in the collar, and it's the sleeves. Yeah, everything is fine, but I would not recommend this dress. So let's go to the next one. Second one is one of my favorite because it's in my favorite color. It's in yellow. So yeah, can you all see it, how bright it looks? It has a button detailing till the end, if I'm not wrong, like almost till the end, and then it has a split over here and it looks so great. It has a white and green print on it and they give a like a tying a knot or something like that so that you can tie it around your belly part. And yeah, they have this collar. Like I just love to wear something which is in collar, and they are sleeveless. Yeah, this is so great. Like you can go to the beach, if I'm not wrong, like Goa vibes, you know. But yeah, you can wear this as a kurti also, if I'm not wrong. To be very honest, you all can wear this like a kurti. Like you can get a green color plazo or leggings, something like that, and you can just wear this to college. So yeah, the price is $9.99 and this is in the size S, and this is from which brand? Fusion. Okay, I don't remember the price. I'll just add the price, like how much I got, and I will recommend this for you all. Like this is damn pretty, you know, like damn pretty. So yeah, let's go to the third one very soon. It's like very, not very unique or something, but yeah, it will go like for a girl who is very shy or who thinks that okay, sleeveless is not good, I need a full sleeve one or a half sleeve dress or something like that, you all can wear this for sure. And anyone, like not even a teenager, if you are a married woman also, you all can try this out because this is very great. And yeah, wait, can you all see it? It's in black color, like dark blue and black, if I'm not wrong. And this too has the button detailing over here, and then it has a split in the down. And yeah, this this has a half sleeve, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and the best part of this is they give this with a belt. You know, yeah, the belt is free for the dress, so it comes with the dress, not a free one. But yeah, and also I'm in the size S, and then the same thing, it's from Fusion brand, and the MRP is 1229. And yes guys, this too is very nice. Like you all can wear it just like this, and you all, like, you are ready to go, if I'm not wrong, like just like that. And yeah, I don't remember the price, but I know I got it for a very nice price, like not even cheap and not even too high. I guess it was something around 700, if I'm not wrong. I'll just add. So yes guys, I would recommend you all to buy this because this is not a see-through also, like you all can see it. It is a nice clothing. And yeah, you all can buy this because you all can pair it as a long dress or a kurti, if I'm not wrong, just like that. Like I would not recommend this as a kurti because it has a button detailing and that won't look good, if I'm not wrong. It may not look good for kurti. I don't think so it would look good, but I don't know. Like if you don't care, you all can do whatever you want with the dress. So yeah, I would recommend this also for you all because yeah, it's good and the quality is good and the pricing is also damn great. You all can buy this, okay? So let's go to the next one, and my favorite one. Dude, I never knew this. They too have a pocket. So yeah. The next one is the last dress, as I've already told, but I just love this because when I wore, I was looking so pretty. And to be very honest, this has pocket in it. Like if you have a pocket, that is great. Okay, so yeah, dun, dun, dun. It's in white color, if you all can see. Like it is full of colors, and I just love this because you all can pair it as a kurti, as I've already told, because I need kurtis for my college because they are damn strict. It's okay. And also this dress has something very nice. I don't know, I just love this part because it gives something different vibes when you're wearing this. Can you all just see it? Yeah, so I would recommend everyone to buy this because this is damn great. Like it has every colors in this and it looks so nice. I don't know, like I don't know why it was looking so pretty on me. Like dude, I was looking so pretty, I don't know why. And yeah, it has a nice detailing, as I've already told, and it is sleeveless. Like they have given sleeves inside this. If you want, you can attach them or it's fine for you. And yeah, like if you wear a heels for this and only this, like
I just need to go out. Someone please take me out now.
Okay, it is from the same brand Fusion and it is in the size S and the price is 2,299, but I got it for a very nice price. So guys, I would obviously recommend you all to buy this because this is damn great. To be honest, you all can buy this. This is very nice. And also I'll be adding all the products ka link in the below description. Please do check out my description without fail, because if you want to buy something, you all need to see it, right? So Like, this is the best. You all must buy this, okay? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you all liked the dress or my collection, because I don't know how it goes with everyone, but many people told that it was nice. So guys, as I've already told in the beginning of the video, I'll tell some tips or secrets like how to shop in AJIO. Basically, you all need to go to the cart section and see which coupons are available, and according to that, if you buy, you'll get in a cheaper price. Simple. Okay guys, if you would have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel guys. Meet you all very soon.